Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how you can frame a picture using Photoshop. So I have opened Photoshop and opened this image of this puppy. So if you want another image, you can do so by clicking File, Open, and pick whichever image you want. So for the time being, I will stick with this pug image. So first thing we need to do is we need to convert this image to a layer. This will be handy once we apply frame and we want to resize the image so that it fits perfectly inside the frame. For that, go to the layers panel. So you can see the layers panel here, layers. Then click the background. In fact, you just right click the background and click layer from background. You can give any name to your layer, so I would put my base image, this layer, as base image. Okay, and I will also pick a new color which is blue. This is just to identify the layer easily when you have a lot of layers. Okay, so I'll just use blue for this. Now your layer is ready, so you have converted your image to a layer. Now you need to create another layer for the frame. So just click the create new layer, this plus icon, and double click and give it a name. So I'll name it frame layer, and then go to filters and then render picture frame. Okay, there are a lot of presets available from Adobe, and you can see the various options here. You have Spock signals, party, big girls, romance, girly dance, many types of frames available. Let's try one bush and see how it looks. Okay, this doesn't look good for this Pux image. You need something more real world. Let's try maybe, yeah, this art frame or rounded art frame. I will pick the rounded art frame. Yeah, this looks good, and you can change the color. If you don't like this golden color, you can change it using this color selection window. Okay, and if you want to adjust the margins, you can do so using this slider. Let's see how it looks. Okay, the margin is now reduced. Let's make it a little bit bigger frame. Yeah, this looks good for that picture. Okay, the rest of things you can adjust as per your need. So let's click OK, and yeah, so now we have the frame ready, and you can see that the picture is not fitting inside the frame. So now how do you make the picture fit inside the frame? You can do so by using the layer edition option. So just click on the base image layer, then click Ctrl T. So now you can see that layer edition controls are active. So just drag the layer inside the frame so that it fits perfectly inside the frame. Let's see how it looks. Yeah. Okay, click enter. Now that image is perfectly inside the frame. You can export this to a PNG or JPEG as per your need. Okay. So that's how you frame a picture in Photoshop. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, do subscribe to the channel and also click the bell button so that you get notifications when we post a new video. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.